Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I'm going to be talking today about Exitus Elite and going big in your business. And what do I mean by that? If you want to make the life-changing income, you have to position yourself to make that kind of income. That's why I came in at the G1000, and I don't regret it. I know my first real commission is coming soon. I'm in talks with a couple of people right now, and I know it's coming. And the reason why I know it's coming is because I'm working towards it. I'm putting out the content I need to put out there. I'm being transparent. I'm showing you everything that Exitus Elite has to offer and why I'm doing things the way I'm doing them. And I'm also accessible. You can call me. I say this in all my videos. My contact information is in the description below, and you can call me. But the way I've always promoted is I find one way of getting out to people. I master that one way, and I just hit the record button and let go. That's all I do. You don't have to be a big guru person. Some people think that you have to be this really smart guru type person that has all the answers to be able to do this. You don't. It's connecting with people. It's showing people the way. That's how you do it. And that's what's going to propel you in Exitus Elite or any other online business that you ever do. Having that connection with people is what drives relationships. It's what builds trust. It's what makes you be able to get the commissions you want. And in Exitus Elite, when you join my team, you're going to get some team bonuses. I've showed them in my video last night that I just uploaded not too long ago. And you're going to get some team bonus training. You're going to get some team bonus training. You're going to get a mega swipe file page with links to different places you can promote Exitus Elite, and we provide the ad copy to the ads, and you can use them as they are, or you can edit them so wherever you see fit. So, and if you come in at the G500 and above, you're going to get your very own copy of an Exitus Elite sales page that we created. My friend created it, actually, and he's actually the one that provides all the training in the team bonus training. But you're gonna get that, and it was made all in Power Lead System. Now you can join Power Lead System, and I can give you the share code to it, or you don't even have to join Power Lead System. I can just set it up, and I'll even add its own link to it, and I will code all the buttons to your affiliate links. So all I'll need is your affiliate link and any social media links that you want to put on the page. So I think the ones that we're using is Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Those are the only icons that we have in the page. So whatever one that you want, I will link it there, because you do want you want people to connect with you. People join people, and when you're making videos, you got to show your excitement. You got to show people that you love your business, and you got to show people that you're putting in the work that you need to do to build that business. And if you go big in your business, like the title of this video, there is a bigger chance that people are also going to go big in their business, because they see that you are not someone that's just doing this business. You're somebody that loves this business. You're somebody that leads by example, and you got to lead by example. So that's all I'm going to say in this video, guys. If you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, I have tons of videos on my YouTube channel. I have over 60 videos now that I have done on Exitus Elite, and I'm going to keep putting them out there, and it's going to be repetitious, I know, but I am so excited about Exitus Elite. I love it. So So that's what we're gonna do in 2022, Exodus Elite. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.